from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back.
Now, folks, welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. If this is your first time here, like, subscribe, and share, and do all that good old stuff. Today, we're going to do a spin on spaghetti. We're using turkey, so we're going to make turkey meatballs. But guess what? I wasn't for it. I had to add some of that good old Jimmy Dean sausage into it. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Just couldn't do flat turkey. With turkey, you have to add all the seasonings in the world and then some. You got to get some of the alien-like seasoning to make it taste good, right? I put, as you can see, I got my starting five, got the sea salt, got the pepper, got to put some cheese in here, I got some other seasoning, I got to drop the Italian seasoning in here. As you can see, I'm seasoning up the turkey by itself first. I go that black pepper, you see that? It's a lot, okay? I don't like the way that the turkey rolls out, I really don't, but as you see, I seasoned up the turkey, and then I came back with the Jimmy Dean, because the Jimmy Dean is already seasoned, and I went forward more cheese because these are going to be our meatballs for our spaghetti. Just going to be honest with you. You see, I had to change the gloves because the gloves, oh my God, the gloves were getting stuck in the turkey. I'm just going to be honest with you. The gloves were getting stuck in the turkey. So I had to make a change, okay? That's what happened. I had to make a change, and I made a change just like Michael Jackson did, okay? And here we are. I'm rubbing it. I gotta roll this thing out. You guys have no idea. This is long. More cheese. Jimmy Dean sausage. I feel like I should have put another one in. But I mean, hey, one roll, one tube. This is all of this turkey. You gotta shape it. You gotta smack it. Get all of those flavors and all that seasoning. And then we get to rolling it out. And this is what we do. We roll it out. We roll it out. And then it seemed like it took forever. Forever, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't think it was that much turkey, but oh God. Listen, had to go re-up. I had to go move those balls and move those turkey balls and go, put them on a different pan. And here we are now. Oh my gosh, I'm still rolling. This is what I did. I thought I was going to fast forward this part, but why not? I want you guys to see my struggle. I want you guys to see this takes time, okay? This takes time and patience. Now listen, this is not the original way that I do my spaghetti. The process is the same, but me actually making spaghetti actually takes a day or so. I like my tomato sauce to simmer overnight, and I do my tomato sauce from scratch. This one is not from scratch. You guys will see that here later in the video. But we have all the meatballs rolled out, and guess what? We're going to put them in the wonderful, we're going to put them in the refrigerator first. All right, and this is our tomato sauce. This is our base for our tomato sauce. Little green onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some onion, we got some rotel, and then we got that classico over there, and we got some Italian seasoning. That's going to be the base for this tomato sauce. Not typically the one that I would use. I'm telling you, I do mine by scratch, but for this video, for this sake, remember, recipe is in the description, but this is what we're going with, okay? The colors look good, they look pretty, okay? They look pretty. You put the virgin olive oil in there to get that good. That's supposed to be your healthy, okay? For you healthy folks out there. Rotel, we're just gonna throw it in there. No salt added, okay? You see that? That's my tomato. Yeah, I don't really like that, but okay, it's here. This is what I had. This is what we're making do with, okay? Put sauce in there, as you can see, and throw some Italian seasoning in there. We're gonna stir it. Normally, like I say, mine's take a day. But we're here. This is what the sauce looks like. I'm not 1,000% happy with it, but if you're okay with store brand bought sauce, make sure that you doctor it up just a little bit, and there you go. Look at those meatballs. They're done. They're out of that kitchen in a box that is just heaven, okay? This is it. I'm going to show you guys the big finish. And if you've been here with us for this long, I want to take the time and say thank you. Thank you for rocking with Nerdy Zombella. Thank you for rocking with Voices from the Kitchen. This is what it looks like. Doesn't look the greatest in my opinion, but we made it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.